Okay, this is my third time explaining or talking about this presentation because the first two times, Screencast-O-matic, whatever, it didn't pick up my voice the first two times. So I talked for like 4 minutes, two times, for no reason. So here's me slowly going insane. I switched from using just some sort of ordinary mic to using my gaming headset, so we'll see how that does. And if I do this all for nothing again, I think I'll just lie down on the floor and die, I guess. That's probably what I'll do. I'll just die. I'll lay down on the floor and just die. Because my patience is thin. So, my animal issue that I chose to do was illegal capture and trade, and this presentation is, of course, by me. I put a picture of a dead rhino because rhinos are one of the most common animals that are traded illegally, or like their ivory is traded illegally, not the whole rhino itself. Um, so, what is illegal animal trade? Well, it's estimated to be a multi-billion-dollar business involving the unlawful harvest of and trade in live animals or parts and products derived from them. Animals are often traded as skins, leather goods, or souvenirs, as food or traditional medicine, as pets, and in many other forms. Illegal wildlife trade is often unsustainable, which harms wildlife populations of animals and which has pushed many endangered species towards extinction. My thoughts is that I think illegal capture and trade is a serious animal issue as it is one of the biggest causes of endangered or extinct species. I believe that is problematic not only environmentally but also economically, as illegal trade negatively impacts a country's natural resources and local communities that might otherwise benefit from tourism or legal sustainable trade. This issue makes me more sympathetic for the animals affected by this issue. Some main animals that are impacted by this issue are sharks, elephants, tigers, rhinos, exotic birds, butterflies, primates, deer, and lions. There's more, but that's some of the main ones. Solutions to the problem is, as a response to the threatening levels of legal capture and trade, a wildlife law enforcement program has been established worldwide. And I did some excessive digging looking for the name of this wildlife enforcement program, but I could not find a direct answer. I am promising you that I could not find a direct answer. So another solution is that stationing inspectors have been established at ports across the United States, and they inspect ships for any illegal trading or smuggling activities. The next solution is consumer awareness has been raised through outreach to travelers going aboard and consumers of exotic wildlife domestically. Another one is law enforcement training enables illegal ivory seizures in East Africa, and mobile tiger patrols have helped curb wildlife crime in Sumatra, Indonesia. What I think could be done is that I think the most effective way to restrict the amount of illegal trade and capture that takes place in our society would be doing things such as monitoring the areas of animals considered to be of high interest in the illegal trading business. Another thing would be tagging animals that are actually taggable to monitor their position. If a tag was to be removed by a poacher, then the last known GPS coordinates could be pinpointed, and that would allow law enforcement to investigate the area, which could possibly lead them to the smugglers or poachers of the animal that was tagged. Another thing, but this really only applies to rhinos and elephants, is you can dye the horns and tusks of them to make their ivory practically worthless to poachers. And it is nearly impossible to completely stop the illegal trade and capture of animals, but measures can be took to limit the rate at which it is carried out. You can hardly see that last little bit, but yeah. And here are my references. I really hope this wasn't for nothing, because my patience is gone. Oh my god, I'm done.